Answer should be x minus 19. Answer should be 2x minus 8y. Answer should be 12x plus 6x squared, or if you put 6x squared plus 12x, either one. Answer should be 39. Numbers today are 2, 5, 9, 12, and 17. The objective today is to start with a standard form equation of a line, find a line that is perpendicular to it and passes through a given point. For example, you could have 3x minus 5y equals 10. Find a line that is perpendicular to it that passes through negative 3, 4, for example. Example 1. The line given to us is 4x minus 2y equals 6. We need a line perpendicular to it that passes through negative 2, 5. Start by changing the given equation to slope-intercept form. So a negative 2y equals a negative 4x plus 6 when you move the x term to the right and change the sign. Divide everything by negative 2. You should get y equals 2x minus 3. Now we must find the negative reciprocal of this slope, and that is a negative half. And insert this point, negative 2, 5. When you multiply a negative half by negative 2, you get 1. And then move it to the left. Change the sign. Your y-intercept for the new equation is 4. And you will plug that in here for b to come up with a final answer of y equals a negative 1/2 x plus 4. Example 2. The equation is 2x minus 4y equals 8. We need a line that is perpendicular to that and passes through the point 6, negative 2. Change this equation to slope-intercept form. Get the y by itself. Move the x over, change the sign. Divide everything by a negative 4. And since this is perpendicular, you need to find the negative reciprocal of this slope. The negative reciprocal of 1/2 is a negative 2. From there, you will plug in this point. Negative 2 equals negative 2 times 6 plus b. So a negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. Move that to the left side, make it plus. Simplify to get 10. And insert this in here to get your final answer of y equals negative 2x plus 10. For the practice problem, you should have 2y equals a negative 3x plus 8. Divide everything by 2. And then use the negative reciprocal of this slope, which is 2/3. Plug in this point. Multiply. Move the 4/3 to the left. Change the sign. Find a common denominator. And that comes out to be 8/3. Insert that 8/3 into the b here. Y equals 2/3 x plus 8/3. Answer to the bonus is 145. Answer to the bonus should be on the practice problem, you should have negative 4y equals negative 2x plus 16. Divide everything by 4 to get y equals 1/2 x minus 4. Use the negative reciprocal of this, which is negative 2. Insert that point, which will be 0 equals negative 2 times negative 1 plus b. That's a 2 plus b. And move the 2 to the left, change the sign. So b is just negative 2. And put that back in here to get y equals negative 2x minus 2. Answer to the bonus is 60. The winning numbers are 2, 4, and 9. Example 3. The line you're given to start with is y minus 2 equals 3/4 times the quantity x plus 3. And you need to find a line that is perpendicular to that and passes through negative 4, 3. So the first step is to get the equation into slope-intercept form. It's in point slope now. Move it to y equals mx plus b. To do that, you come up with y minus 2 equals 3/4 x plus 9/4. We have multiplied through by the 3/4. You need the y by itself. So leave it there and move the minus 2 to the right. Make it plus 2. But now you have to simplify this. You need a common denominator of 4. So 9/4 stays the same, but now you have 8/4, which is equivalent to 2. And then 3/4x plus 17/4. That is just changing to slope-intercept from the point slope. You still need to do everything else that's involved in the problem. Remember, this is all connected here and here. Now you start the new equation. Y equals the negative reciprocal of 3 over 4, which is negative 4 over 3, and then x plus b. And after that, plug in your point, negative 4, 3. And simplify. And then move, changing the sign. You need a common denominator, which will be 3. And you should get a y-intercept of a negative 7 over 3. Now, of course, we have to write the final answer, and there is no room on this page for that, so I'll have to do it on the next page. The final answer should be y equals a negative 4/3 x minus 7 over 3.